Hello everyone, this is Mr. Go. Today I'm going to teach you about the basics of Microsoft PowerPoint. So I believe everyone have know about Microsoft PowerPoint. It's a good software to make it slideshow. So first, when you're entering Microsoft PowerPoint, you'll see this interface. So you're going to choose blank presentation. Other than blank presentation, you have more themes. Okay, for example, these are the themes that you can choose. But first, we are going to create a blank presentation. So when you're entering the blank presentation, you'll see this. Okay, the upper one will be the title section. The below will be subtitle section. So let's type in something to the title. Okay. Okay, you also can change the font, the writing. For example, I want to change to something that is more attractive. For example, I choose this one. And also for the below, also the same. The font that you recently being used will be highlighted. So allow the user to which make the user job is easier. So other than that, you also can change the size. For example, I want to make it, you can make it bigger or smaller, but for title, usually people will make it bigger. Okay, I choose 60. For subtitle, I don't want to change. Okay, other than that, you also can choose bold. This is already bold in the beginning. Italic to make it slide. Lean toward another side. Underline. Shadow. Okay, let's put the effect one by one. Italic. Underline. Shadow, which make it look like a little bit realistic. Okay, other than that, so you can change the highlight if you want to highlight. Okay, this is after highlight, and also change the font color, not just black. You can change to any color that you want. For example, I change it to blue. This also will be changed to blue, like this. So, but the white theme maybe it looks a little bit boring. So, what can you do about here? Go to Design tab, choose Design tab, and then you will see a lot of themes here. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, but in the meantime, there might be some design idea appear from beside right hand side. Okay, if you want to use one of the design, yes, you can choose. For example, like this. Okay, or not. You can always undo if you don't want to use. Okay, and then close the recommendation. Okay, how to create a second slide? You go to new slide. There are many types of slides that you can choose, but we are going to use title and content. Or the faster way, as a shortcut key, you press Ctrl M, like this. Okay, welcome to second slide. Then we type something for second slide. Okay, typo. Okay, like this. Okay, but if you don't want to use the title or any space that you don't want to use, okay, this is grammar editing, grammar check. Okay, if you don't want to use any section on your slide, you can always choose them. Okay, let them become highlighted and press delete. Okay, but if you want to change the layout of your slide, you can go to here, layout, or maybe I'm going to choose picture caption to contain something like this. And even though this one will came back, okay, I give it the title. So how can you insert a picture? Okay, not just text, you can insert a picture to your slide. Okay, we're going to insert tab, choose the picture that I downloaded like this. And also here, the recommendation is coming back. So if you are going to use the recommendation, yes, you can choose one. For example, I'm choosing this one. This one looks nice. Or if you don't want to use it, you can always undo it back, and then undo. Or if you want to insert the picture from the internet, you can choose here online pictures. But remember, make sure you are online before using this function. Okay, then we're choosing. Okay, I choose this or this. Yeah, you can choose multiple pictures at once. I just choose the main thinking, then download pictures, and here, yeah, I'm using this one. This one looks nice. And also, you can also make your text become bigger in case it doesn't look too well. Okay, like this. Okay, and then what if when you let's go to the third slide. Okay, let's press shortcut key Ctrl M. Okay, but if when we don't want this layout, we can always change back to the normal layout and close the documentation because we haven't entered anything yet. Okay, let's type something. Okay, right now we're creating a smart art, creating a flowchart or something. Yes, we have many more of them, but right now we are going to use the list type. Okay, for example, we're using this. Okay, for example, we're using this. Okay, then we type in the text that we want. Okay, typo. Okay, remember to give your slide a title. Okay, and also for the chart, you also can change the color. If the plain blue is too simple, or you want to change the design in general, you change to this, and to this, and to this one, and you can see have more, or 3D. Some of them is actually too fancy. And like this is one. Or you can change the color. Okay, let's add one more slide. Other than that, we also can insert video, but we don't have video right now. Instead, we insert some tables. Let's insert some tables. Okay. And also, when you are going to the next slide, something else. Okay, let's preview our slide first. So, how to preview your slide? You're going to click on here, the slideshow, or we are pressing F5 button to enter the slideshow view. Okay, let's see how our slide works. First, we have this, second, third, and fourth. Okay, and then we finish. Okay, but what if you want to make the transition of your slide is more interesting? So let's go to transition and choose from transition above. Okay, for example, let's choose something simple, which is like push up, which will look like that. Let's put push up for the slide and preview again. It will look like this. And escape to end the slideshow early. Okay, but if you want to apply the transition to all the slides, you can click here, apply to all, and you will see a little star right over there, which indicate your slide have transitions. Okay, lastly, how to save your slideshow. You go to File, go to Save, but we haven't saved anything yet, so we should always save as where you want to save. For example, I will save as somewhere. For example, I want to save at desktop, and here you already saved your file. As you can see, it indicates it's saved to this PC. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time.